Hello children, welcome to Gokulam. This is for first grade students, English grammar. Fill in the blanks with the words these or those. These, nearer, plural object. Those, distant, plural object. See here, apples. These are apples. These are nearer, no? These. T-H-E-S-E. These are apples. Those, birds, distance, no? Those. T-H-O-S-E. Those are birds. Start with capital letter. A sentence start with capital letter, ends with full stop. These are apples. Those are birds. Next, what is this? Balloons. These are balloons. Those are helicopters. T-H-O-S-E. Those are helicopters. Next, these are toys. T-H-E-S-E. These are toys. Those are stars. T-H-O-S-E. Those are stars. Next, these are flowers. T-H-E-S-E. These are flowers. Those are kites. T-H-O-S-E. Those are kites. These are fruits. These are fruits. Those are cars. Nearer plural objects, these. Distant plural objects, those. These are apples, those are birds. These are balloons, those are helicopters. These are toys, those are stars. These are flowers, those are kites. These are fruits, those are cars. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.